Hey guys, it's Miranda here with another Wise Agent tutorial. Today I'm going to show you the 3 easy steps to setting up your Wise Agent account. We'll go through setting up your profile page, importing your contacts, and setting up lead rules. But before we get started, if you're new to Wise Agent, just curious about our platform, or even already a member, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on so you never miss out on a Wise Agent video. First, let's go over your profile page. You'll want to edit your profile information, account details, and time zone immediately because this information will be translated to the rest of your account. Also, make sure to add your profile photo and company logo. Before your profile info, you'll see your social links. Choose the social media sites that you want to connect and paste the link. These links will now automatically populate at the bottom of your email signature, depending on the template you select. Inside team members are members that you can assign leads and marketing templates and content from within your account. If you want to delete or replace an inside team member, select the trash can icon. A modal will pop up, giving you the option to replace the team member or proceed to reassignment. Additionally, if the team member you're moving has a login, you can choose to reassign it to another inside team member or remove the login entirely. If you'd like to set account permissions for an inside team member, head to the Permissions tab. Select who you would like to set it for and scroll through all the options you can add or take away from them. You can also set up an email signature for each of these inside team members. Click the New Email option and select the team member and choose a template. Now the profile information and social links will populate. To change the color of your signature, right-click on the mouse. Choose Sell, then Sell Properties. Now you can choose a color that matches your brand. Now let's get your contacts imported. These are all the platforms you can use to import your contacts into Wise Agent with. If you choose the Wise Agent option, the CSV needs to be based on the provided sample CSV. It should match the column headers. If it does not, it could result in an import violation or a bad import. Choose the method of your upload, assign your contacts to a team member, choose a category to put them in so that you can easily find these contacts when creating marketing materials or scheduling follow-ups. Now choose a source so you can remember where these contacts came from later on. Finally, optionally choose to assign an outside team member to these contacts. Keeping your categories and sources organized is not only important for importing contacts, but also essential when creating lead rules. When you first get to the lead rules page, you'll be able to see all of your active lead rules. You can edit them by hitting the pencil icon, copy the rule, or delete the rule. Below, you will see all of your supported email lead capture. Click any one of these to see how to integrate it within your account. Below this, you'll see our supported API integrations, which utilize your unique Wise Agent API key. An API key is a unique code used to authenticate and authorize access to an API. To view all of your active keys, you can go to the integration setting page. If you scroll up, you'll be able to search for a rule or create a new one. Now, select a lead source so you can identify these leads later on and know where they came from. Next, you can optionally have the leads for this rule be added to a drip campaign. This can be beneficial if you have an open house and create a campaign showing similar houses to the attendees. It's important to note that to create an automated email, you will need to have already set up your email signature. Also, to send a text, you will need an active Wise text number. If you're using the AI texting bot, it's important to note that the AI bot will begin automatically conversing with leads when they come into your CRM from the selected source. If you set your text response to yes, you will be sending this lead multiple text messages within a short period of time. In the distribution section, you can choose what inside team members will receive the leads for this rule. If round robin is off, every team member is selected to every incoming lead. CRMs can be tough to navigate. The important thing is that with Wise Agent, you're never alone. Feel free to call us for help at any time at 480-836-0345 or head to the help section and submit a request. Thanks for watching.